Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We have a new box for the channel today. It is the Norlii box, so let's get into it and check it out. The box we are adding today is the Norlii box, and this was sent to me free for review, and I am so excited to add home decor to the channel. I have been thinking about doing it. I want to change up so much in my house, and I thought this would be a great place to start. So I really have no idea what is in here as I'm opening this up. Actually, let me go ahead and tell you, I'm going to set this aside and tell you a little bit about the box, so I'm sure to hit all of the pertinent information. I always like to do that with the first box of a new subscription. I will put the link and my code, which is McCarty15, down below. If after you see this you have any interest in it, I will put the link and my McCarty15 code. It will get you $15 off your first box. If you sign up for the subscription, your bi-monthly cost is $74.90. If you sign up to receive it yearly, it brings it down to $69.98. And if you just wanted, like if you saw this box and you just wanted a one-time box, you can do that and it would be $89. Norlii is a Scandinavian home subscription box. They love the mix between clean-lined Scandinavian designer and softer, more organic and natural items to create a warm and harmonious home. That is spot on what I would like to do. We call it, and I've heard this two ways, Hygge and Hygge. So maybe I'll try and edit out whichever one of those is wrong, but our box name is a combination of Nordic and living. Norlii. Nordic living is what we bring to you 6 times per year. It will include full-size decor and lifestyle items that support Nordic design styles, blankets, pillows, ceramics, scented candles, votives, and so much more. Everything in the box is designed in Scandinavia, originating from Scandinavian home and lifestyle brands. You will be able to find our items in high-end home furnishing and decor stores in Scandinavia. It says they include decor that is durable and timeless. The materials are typically natural, like stoneware, wood, wool, linen, or seagrass. Often we mix in a more stringent design of metal. This box will typically have a theme that somehow connects to the season, but the pieces will also work together across seasons. All right, enough talking, let's get into this. I'm gonna have to set this down, but right on top we have our paperwork, and it says VAR on top. Nature plays a significant role in Scandi style. In addition, indoor gardening is more popular than ever. Houseplants are a great way to invite nature indoors and soften the minimalist home. While VAR is the Scandinavian word for spring, we have themed your box spring, and what better way to celebrate spring than to fill your home with the season's herbs, plants, and flowers. Oh, I am excited. I wonder if that's what we're gonna get, what we're seeing on front. So exciting. And when we open the paperwork, it tells us a little bit about each thing, I think, that is in the box. Right off the top, I can't believe this made it all the way from Scandinavia so nicely. It's nice and flat, still perfect. I love that. We'll go ahead and take the print out of the sleeve because I'm sure that it's reflecting back. It's very pretty. It says it's sweet woodruff, an aromatic plant that retains its scent when dried. Blooms from May to August. That is what that looks like. And the paperwork says, let spring into your home with this gorgeous print. The Swedes take great pride in their cuisine based on natural ingredients from the forest. In Sweden, they have Allemansraten, which means you can camp everywhere in nature and even pick up above ground parts of plants, leaves, flowers, seeds, berries, and mushrooms. Sweet woodruff is a Swedish favorite, and the print has a $5 value. It is very nice. I don't know if you can tell. It is a really nice, heavy quality paper, so that's very nice. Definitely print quality. I have this. I think it's a candle. You guys know I love candles. When I read it in the description of what could come in the box, I was like, yes, please. This is so, look how pretty that is. I hope that that comes across. It's kind of on a slant. It's got a really unique exterior. It's a silver metal. It looks really, I don't know if it comes across in the video. It looks very luxe in person, like you would see it in a little boutique. Of course, you'd be in Scandinavia if you saw it, but it's very pretty. Oh, it smells delicious. Green gardenia. It smells grassier than gardenia to me. Let's see what the paperwork says. This is from Bloomingville. We've made it easy for you. Instantly indulge your home with a flowery scent. This scented candle is made from 100% soy wax. It smells so good. And is hand poured in a small family-owned candle factory in Sweden. The candle is poured into a beautiful silver-plated container. The line of scented candles from Bloomingville is brand new. In your box, you will find number 2, Green Gardenia. At once serene and lively, watery white florals combined with rich resinous woods elevate and refine a classic floral scent. Expect a burning time of 25 hours. Never leave a burning candle unattended. $20 US. It's very nice. Next out, we have one bigger and one smaller. So I suspect I know what it is based on the picture we saw on the front. Once I took those out of the paper, I realized this went with it. So we have, let me show you guys, I think it goes like this. They're plant pots. How cute is that? So we have a set of 2. This would be so cute, well, with any kind of plant, but this time of year I'm doing herbs. I'll have to put rocks or something on the bottom because we don't have any holes. Or you could put succulents in it, something you don't have to use a lot of water with, or you could put faux plants in it, but this is what they look like. This is the bigger one. It's just a matte black kind of textured feel. And like I said, we have the smaller one and the bigger one. And then they've given us 2 different stands for them. And you can set them down in it like this, which is actually, I did it the other way and the picture shows it like this. So you can set it down in it like this and then the little one like that. Or if you wanted to add some height, and I feel a little more drawn to this, it is not quite as sturdy, but unless you have like a cat that might bump up against it or small children that could get to it, I kind of like it decoratively like this. So down in it or up on it. Let's see what the paperwork says. The flower pots made in black metal in a simple design are from Bloomingville. The company was established in 2000 and has been a popular brand in all of Scandinavia ever since. The 2 pots will highlight your plants beautifully. The stands give the pots a raw and almost industrial look that allows for slight imperfections and adds personality and relaxed vibe to your decor. I imagined the pots for herbs in your kitchen. You can play around for the perfect look. Group them with other plants, stick to your favorite flower, or experiment with new herbs for your daily cooking. And they have a $30 value. I will tell you, they feel quality. I don't know how to express that, to show you guys that, but they're very heavy. You know, it's got some weight to it. I like the stands. They're very cute. I will indeed be using them for herbs. I love to do herbs this time of year. Okay, next I have whatever this is. It's called Pinch. That sounds ominous. Let's take it out. It's literally like wood, like a clothespin. Pinch. Oh, I bet we could hold our print with it. All right, don't get ahead of yourself, Kathrin. Read the paperwork, calm down. I have been so wanting to add some decor to the channel. I already know what I'm doing with all of these things. I am so excited. When I get my herbs in these, I will show you guys over on Insta. The Pinch by, and I'm gonna say Moebe, M-O-E-B-E, which is a Danish design studio. Their mantra is to reduce the designs to their most simple forms. The wooden clip you have received consists of 2 pieces of oak and a single rubber band. The clip is named Pinch, and it can be used standing or hung from a nail using a hole in the back. It does have a hole in the back. So elegant. You can use it to hang your new print, or maybe you want to dry a flower and exhibit it in the Pinch as a reminder of spring. The Pinch is made of FCS certified European oak, that sounds impressive, and the rubber band. Nothing more, nothing less. And it has a US $15 value. I'm not sure about that, but in all fairness, I don't know what that oak is all about. I mean, you could hang it too, but I don't have anywhere to hang it from. And look, so pretty, right? It's not going to stay up here. That's going to go down into my living room, but I like it. So you could stand it or hang it. Last but not least, reaching up from the ground, I have the Zone Herb and Sprout watering can. This is so heavy and nice. I don't know how to, again, this is one of those things, I don't know how to transmit that through there, except to say it feels really, really nice. How unique is that design? So when I have my herbs in their pots and they need a little, I'm gonna be so fancy. The paperwork says watering can, Zone, Denmark. Watering cans are essential when you keep green plants indoors, but it has always been a significant design challenge to make the water can be as beautiful as it is functional. We have found a stunning watering can from Zone, Denmark for you. The size is ideal for herbs, sprouts, and smaller green plants, and you can place your new watering can on the kitchen counter for display next to your herbs or green plants. It has a $75 value. I mean, if it's a boutique type brand in Denmark, it very well could be. So that is what we received in my first Norlii box. How fun is that? It's a home decor box. We received our pinch clip and our print from sister brand that is VAR, which means spring. Perfect. A really lovely candle. That is so pretty. I know exactly where it's going. This lovely watering can, which we will use to water our herbs, which we will put in these 2 nice pots that have their stands. Let me show it. It's separate again. So, and like I said, you could always, if you wanted height, you could do it just like that. Actually, I think I might prefer it like that. I don't know if that's wrong of me or not, but this one is far more stable upside. Oh, you could do one of each. Look like a rebel. Okay. Let me know what you think below. I want to thank Norlii for sending this. I love adding home decor to the channel. These are really great products that they will go right into use, and I appreciate that so much in decor. I will put the link below with my code McCarty15, which will get you $15 off your first box. If you have any questions, let me know. I will try and get the answers for you. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you spending the time here with us. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.